What's up guys, Gary with self.dev. Today we're going over how to host n8n through DigitalOcean so you don't have to pay per execution cost, you only have to pay per minute, or I guess in this case you only have to pay the $6 a month for the basic plan, which is a little bit better than n8n's $20 a month plan. There are some trade-offs. You don't get automated updates with this. You're managing the security on your own, so there are trade-offs for this cheaper price, but this is how you would do it. First off, we need a DigitalOcean account. I'm going to have links to everything we need in the description, so if you just want to go look there, you can click and come directly to DigitalOcean to set up your account. But there's also an n8n droplet, which is what we're going to use to set up our n8n instance. We'll just click on Create n8n droplet. Again, that link will be in the description. Data center, can change that to whatever your preference is there. Interesting. If we search n8n, we're going to click that. Did it select it for us? Okay, cool. Yeah, it does have that selected for us by default. It's going to try to put you on this premium one by default. I don't like that. I just go regular, $6 a month, because we've got the 25 gigabyte SSD, which is the min disk size that this wants. You can go higher if you want, or if you run into issues with your instance. I'm going to switch this over to the password and then just grab some random pre-generated password I have here. Then we do need to add a payment method, so I'll do that off screen over here. Cool, and the payment method was added successfully. Now we are creating our droplet, so we're just going to give this a minute or two to make our server, and there we go, it's already done. Sweet. Now next thing we want to do is add a DNS to our little instance here, so we will go over to Namecheap, or you can go to wherever you want to get a DNS. I'm just going to use this Everlight-AI DNS I have. We'll go over to Advanced DNS, go down to Add a New Record. We'll add an A record. The host is going to be n8n, and then the IP is just going to be the IP from here. We'll set this down to 1 minute TTL, so this will refresh hopefully within a minute. Now we have essentially added a subdomain, so we have n8n.everlightai.com that will be used whenever we want to go, or basically just going to route to this value here. Now let's go back and add this to our DigitalOcean. Now let's go to Web Console. It'll open up a little web terminal for us. You don't really need to pay attention to most of this. We're just going to press enter here, and then we're going to add our domain. So we'll go back here, grab this everlight-ai.com. Obviously this will be whatever DNS you have instead of mine. We'll paste the DNS in here, or can we not paste in here? Oh man, do we have to right click? There we go. Paste, cool. Press enter, and then we have to enter the email we want to use. So I will use battletank130@gmail.com, just because that's my spam email address. I don't want to configure my time zone at the moment, and then we'll just give this another minute to set up for us. When that finishes up, we'll have a URL here that we can just right click, copy, open up a new tab, go to, and then it is starting up. Please wait. We'll just give that another minute or two and then check this again. There we go. So we can go ahead and sign up like we usually would. I'll just use this random temp password here, skip through everything on this. Now again, this is just kind of self-hosted on our own DigitalOcean container. Skip that, build, and then we've got our n8n set up here. If we go to webhook, this automatically has our n8n.everlightai.com for the webhook, but you can build your own workflows here, and you're now paying $6 a month for your n8n instance versus $20 a month or more, depending on how much you execute your workflows. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up so YouTube knows I'm putting out good stuff. Again, I'll have all links to everything you need in the description, including links to the self.dev Discord and the self.dev subreddit. If you want to come talk tech there, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the content we're putting out. And I think that's about it for this one. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.